Star Kids Bus.
Welcome to Star Kids Bus. Today, let's explore where different animals live. Lions live in dens, safe places for resting and raising cubs. Lion den. Sheep stay in pens on the farm where they are kept safe and warm. Sheep pen. Dogs live in kennels to rest and stay protected. Dog kennel. Tigers live in dens, often hidden in caves, keeping them safe. Tiger den. Bears live in caves where they hibernate during winter. Bear cave. Camels live in the desert where they're adapted to the heat. Camel desert. Horses stay in stables, resting after working or running. Horse stable. Fish live in water, swimming through rivers, lakes, and oceans. Fish water. Hens live in coops where they lay eggs and stay safe. Hen coop. Mice live in holes, small hidden spaces for safety. Mouse hole. Rabbits dig burrows, tunnels underground to keep warm. Rabbit burrow. Pigs live in sties, where they roll in the mud to stay cool. Pig sty. Beavers build lodges in the water, homes made of sticks. Beaver lodge. Bees live in hives, storing honey and raising young inside. Bee hive. Birds build nests high in trees where they lay eggs. Bird nest. Cows stay in sheds, safe spaces as they graze in pastures. Cow shed. Ants live in anthills, working together in colonies. Anthill. Monkeys live in trees, swinging from branches high above. Monkey tree. Spiders live in webs, spinning silk to catch food. Spider web. That was so much fun learning about animals and their homes. Remember, every animal has a special place to call home.
Thanks for watching. Hope you like the video. Subscribe for more videos. Bye bye.